second.
Okay.
I'm walking out of the room so I can deny it.
Hey, Megan.
Wait, you have to pick your feet up. Wait, I'm trying to not break this. Alright, go ahead.
Go, shut it. Okay, you're trapped. Now try and get out.
My dad told me for a long time that I wasn't like, you're not allowed. Maybe it's because he didn't want me to go in it when I was a little kid.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna take a. Hold on. That was the video.
What iPad was that?
Do you want me to take a picture on your phone?
Yeah, go for it. Oh, it's on the side. You
Oh,
always do that face. I want to get out.
Alright. Nope. Oh, is it dark in there?
No, I just like my face.
Oh.
I don't know how to get to your camera.
No, because I shoved against it to open it. I just like bent it.
Oh my God.
It smells bad in there.
Yeah.
Okay, no,
It's not even a cold. It does smell bad in there.
I know.
Alright, I think we should put this stuff back.
And then me, else go again.
I know.